This is my sanctuary.
I can see why. It's beautiful.
When I was going through therapy, I didn't have the stamina to keep up with things, but lately I've been out here every day.
Good for you. I've never been much of a gardening person myself. I just don't like getting dirt under my fingernails.
Well, to be honest, I never thought of gardening until I was diagnosed with cancer.
Oh, why is that?
Well, the doctor told me that many of his patients found it relaxing. I didn't at first because I was so out of shape.
If it were me, I probably would have stopped right there. I hate sweating.
So did I, but all that exertion helped me clear my head. So eventually, I started to love it.
And now you have a full garden, replete with vegetables and herbs.
It's been a long journey for me, Roy. When I walk through the garden, it's sort of like a living diary of my battle with cancer.
Oh, how so?
Well, I planted those pink roses when I got my diagnosis. They were a gift from a friend. Next, I planted some mint because I love the smell. Then I planted that bee balm when I started chemo, and it just took over.
Wow, it sure did. So many brilliant, bright colors.
Take some of them home if you want. Maybe you can start a garden of your own.
No thanks. I told you, I don't like dirt.
Well, maybe you can keep them in your office. Are you still doing poetry these days?
Rarely. I've just been so busy with work, I don't...
Don't let busyness steal your joy, Roy. You have to slow down and feed your soul. I had to get sick to learn that. I want you to learn the easy way.
Thanks, Martha. Yeah, sure. I'll take a couple of flowers.
Great.
From over there? Yeah.